I am currently at Falls, and we had a massive rain last night and yesterday. I mean, tons and tons of rain. So I thought I'd come down and check out Cliff Park. And I think it's called Cliff Falls or Kanaka Falls. Look at this thing. It is absolutely an incredible amount of water. I've never ever seen the falls like this. I mean, in the summertime you can go down there and hang out, have a picnic, all kinds of stuff. I might even have some old footage somewhere of doing that, but there's so much water right now. I think we had half a foot come down overnight. It's incredible. Everything's good at the place. All the horses are fine. It's a little soggy, but other than that, no big deal. A few puddles. But I definitely wanted to come check out this. I saw somebody post something on Facebook the last time, and it's happened, and I thought, gee, I'd like to see that in person too. So on my way to do a few errands, I stopped in, and this place is it's just incredible. It's a really beautiful place to be, no matter what. You can see there's another waterfall over there. But it's not raining right now. It's stopped for a few hours. It's supposed to start up again today, and then off tomorrow, and off the next day, and then back on. And very, very wet. Very weird. Here's the other falls. And we've got this fantastic bridge. Look at all this water. It's just coming out of the ground. It's just an incredible amount of water. Scared to drop the camera. I'll never see it again. Anyhow, I thought I'd share that with you guys. Hopefully that's been interesting. Let's see you in the next one.